To get your own booster bricks, go to boosterbricks.com. Hi, it's time for some more fun with Jane Harm. I'm Jay. I'm Harm. Today we got another Booster Bricks box. Yay! Let's open it up. January 2018 box. Featuring Kenny's Olympic Adventure. VIP member book. Micro Build Challenge. Blindfold Challenge. Premiere Challenge. Booster Bricks Club Member Sticker. Minifigure Challenge. Looks like we got a game in this month's box. Yay! But this is what we don't need right now. Bye-bye. Meet Kenny. He's an 8-year-old kid from Michigan with a heart of gold. If there's one thing you should know about him, it's that he loves the sport curling. When he was only 3, his dad took him to see a game. Then they would take turns to see who could score the most points. It was the most fun they'd ever had together. One day at school, Kenny's teacher announced that there were going to be a special competition where the winner would get a free trip to the Winter Olympics. Well, Kenny couldn't afford to rely on luck. He was determined to win. Kenny's teacher began lining the students up one by one. There was a blindfold in her hand, and each kid was ready with excitement. Who's ready? The teacher asked. Put on a blindfold of your own by using only the pieces in your blindfold challenge pack. Build a donkey that they will have to pin the tail on. Since this one is tricky, there's no time limit. Take your time.
As a special surprise, Kenny's dad was able to find out where Kenny's favorite curling Olympian was going to be that day. Using your minifigure challenge pack, plus any pieces from your own collection, create Kenny's hero Olympian.
I got a helmet, wolf claws, zombie stuff, a stick, and a hairbrush, and a phone, walkie-talkie, and slime. There's fire. There's... You're fired. There's fire. And there's binoculars. Using the pieces given in your Premiere Challenge pack, plus the printout provided in this month's box, build the stadium and wall around the ice rink. You'll be able to play your own version of the curling game on TV. Behind the dotted line and gently hit it with the broom, aiming towards the targets. Kenny's favorite team had just won their first ever Olympic game. The ceremony was about to start, and Kenny proudly watched as his hero prepared to walk out and receive a gold medal. Build the winner's podium using only the pieces found in your micro build challenge pack.
Where's my medal?
Where's my participation award? Kenny's hero looked over at him and smiled. Kenny grinned from ear to ear and stared off at the flag, proudly waving the highest. Use your spotlight piece and up to 15 other pieces from your own collection to build the winning team's flag.
This blue means eat. The white means sugar. It was super fun.
And this, it's really fun how there's a little letter and the story and the building. It's really fun. And this crossword puzzle and design a minifig and this photo contest. And it was really cool how they included game.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for
watching. Thank you.
To get your own booster bricks, go to boosterbricks.com.
Visit janesharm.com and check out our writing contest. Share and subscribe.